Have you guys ever wondered what is wala in chai wala, doodh wala, sabzi wala, ghar wala? Today we are going to learn wala, wali, and wale. Hello everyone. This is Sara from Learn Urdu with Sara. I hope you're all doing well. On this channel, I teach Urdu with grammar, Bollywood songs, Pakistani songs, and a lot of stories. If that's something you might be interested in, go ahead and check other videos on this channel as well. So, wala, wali, and wale is used quite commonly and it's very colloquial and used by native speakers. So, learning it would make you sound very natural. And it's a video that I wanted to make for a long time, so that is why I created this video. So, what is wala, wali, or wale? It is basically a suffix that's used after nouns or pronouns or verbs, etc. In English, it's not translated very well, but it basically means the one which has. It shows association, possession, a characteristic, or a role. Now, you might be wondering what's the difference between wala, wali, and wale? Quite easy. Wala is for masculine noun or masculine gender. Wali is for feminine gender, whereas wale, like anything else in Urdu, is for plural masculine or for polite things. Don't be confused. I'm going to give you sample sentences. Let's begin. Most of the time, it is used as a seller or a vendor. So, chai wala means the one who sells chai. Chai wala. Chai wala. A long time ago, chai wala became really famous. The one who sells or makes chai. So, chai vendor or chai seller. Another word is doodh wala. Doodh is milk. Doodh wala is the one who sells milk. In Pakistan, in the early morning, you have doodh wala who gives you or delivers doodh into your house. So that is doodh wala. Doodh wala. Taxi wala. Taxi wala is the one who drives taxi. Rickshaw wala, the one who drives rickshaw. Rickshaw wala. Are rickshaw wale, ruko. Like that is something you say in Pakistan. Rickshaw wale. So that is the one who drives the rickshaw. Sabzi wala. Sabzi wala. Sabzi wala is the peddler, basically the vendor who sells vegetables. So in Pakistan, they have vendors or peddlers who sell vegetables door to door. So they'll even say like announce it to the whole like all the houses. Sabzi wala. That means the sabzi wala is here. The one who's selling vegetable is here. Kursi wala, the one who sells kursi. Kursi is a chair. So furniture wala, kursi wala. Can you see the common pattern? If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Now, the second use is it can also be used to tell you the characteristic of something, to specify the characteristic or quality or a certain thing. For example, pani wali chai. Pani wali chai. Oh, ye pani wali chai hai. That means watery. Pani wali means watery. So, pani is water. Pani wali chai is watery chai. Doodh wali chai. Doodh wali chai. Chai here is feminine, therefore we are saying doodh wali chai. So it's talking about the characteristic of that noun. Doodh wali chai. Doodh wali kulfi. Doodh wali kulfi. Kulfi is a ice cream. This is a kulfi right here. Have you ever eaten it? I love kulfi. You can use an adjective as well. For example, neeli wali shirt. Neeli wali shirt. Neeli is blue. Neeli wali shirt. The blue shirt. You can easily just say neeli shirt as well. That's quite fine as well. So neeli shirt or neeli wali shirt. Chota wala dabba. Chota wala dabba. The small box. Chota wala dabba. You can also say chota dabba as well, but chota wala is kind of like relating it to a specific thing. The one that is small. The box that is small. Chota wala dabba. Chota wala dabba. Chini wali chai. Chini wali chai. That is sugary chai. मैं चीनी वाली चाय पीती हूँ. मैं चीनी वाली चाय पीती हूँ. I drink tea with sugar. मैं चीनी वाली चाय नहीं पीती हूँ. मैं चीनी वाली चाय नहीं पीती हूँ. means I don't drink tea with sugar. Now come to the third use of wala wali and wale, which is after the verb. When it is used after the verb, it indicates the action that is about to happen in an immediate future. So, jane wala, jane wala. So the verb, the infinitive verb is used here, and infinitive verb is declined in the end. Jane wala, jane wala. मैं जाने वाला हूँ. I'm about to go. मैं जाने वाला हूँ. I'm about to go. This is a man speaking. If I'm speaking, I will say मैं जाने वाली हूँ. मैं जाने वाली हूँ. So remember, the infinitive verb will not change. It will just decline from jana to jane. It's kind of like oblique thing. So जाने वाली हूँ. मैं जाने वाली हूँ. मैं जाने वाली हूँ. मैं करने वाली हूँ. I'm about to do. मैं करने वाली हूँ. मैं ये करने वाली हूँ. I'm about to do it. मैं करने वाली हूँ. मैं सोने वाली हूँ. I'm about to sleep. मैं सोने वाली हूँ. मैं सोने वाली हूँ. Or for multiple men, you'll say वो सोने वाले हैं. वो लोग सोने वाले हैं. They're about to sleep. Those people are about to sleep. Log is added after वो to indicate the plurality. So वो लोग सोने वाले हैं. Those people are about to sleep. Those guys are about to sleep. वो लोग सोने वाले हैं. हम लोग सोने वाले हैं. हम लोग सोने वाले हैं. We're about to sleep. Multiple people. Remember, if there's a group of people with male and female gender, you will use the masculine ending. और हम सोने वाले हैं. बारिश होने वाली है. बारिश होने वाली है. बारिश होना is the verb. बारिश होना. So it becomes like it declines and then बारिश होने वाली है. Because बारिश is feminine, the subject is feminine. What is about to happen? The rain is about to happen, which is feminine. So therefore it's wali. बारिश होने वाली है. बारिश होने वाली है. बारिश होने वाली है. In Pakistan, this kind of sentence kind of like makes everybody happy because barish is really good and people really like rain in Pakistan. So whenever it's about to rain, everybody is really happy, and this is said with a lot of joy. Have you learned something? Let me know in the comment section and give it a like if this video was useful. If you want to get a PDF file, you can become a patron on this as well. Also teach on these platforms for one-on-one lessons. I'll see you next time. Have a nice day. Goodbye.